Preparing delicious healthy meals for your child is quick and easy with BabyGrow. First, fill the water tank to below max level with filtered or purified water. Make sure the water tank is securely tightened. Wash and cut your prepared ingredients into smaller chunks. Then pour your chopped ingredients into the food basket. Now place the basket into the blending jar and secure it, ensuring it locks into place. Place the lid on top and make sure it is secured tightly. Set the timer to your desired cooking time and let it steam away. When it's done, a noise will sound. Now remove the lid from the blending jar. Carefully remove the blending jar using the heat-resistant handle. Then use the included spatula to safely remove the basket from the container. Now reseat the jar and carefully pour the steamed ingredients back in without the basket. Press the blend button and pulse the ingredients until they have reached your desired consistency. Once cooled, your healthy, tasty puree is ready to serve. BabyGrow, for a happy, healthy baby.